Fishing ass takeover.
Yo, official ass coming through better. All my hoods on the block better. All my people's locked up better. You better.
Yo, lyrical assault. Mike's outlined the chalk. Gun talk, homicide in New York. Caught a raw deal. Horror Amityville. Heavy steel. Breathe in your man to get killed. Put a knife to the love of your life. Put a slug in your wife. Blood in your ice. Mud on my knife. Cash ice. Drug price. Chain snatch. Cocaine crack. Cut with Ajax. With the gap. Blow your brain back. Switch your lanes and drop vests. Blow the top and jet. Cock it wet. You rock to death. Drive-by. Stain the eyes. Paint the black lines. All the way live. Guns in the sky. Move you die. Survive. Niggas leave you left for dead. One in your head. Running for bed. Drugs under your bed. Crime kills. Blast rhyme skills like 9 mils. So nigga dead. Cause y'all kill. What?
Official ass coming through better. Where my real thugs at, you better. All my villains with the jacks better. You better. Official ass coming through better. If you don't wanna get wet, better. If you're from the projects, better. You better. Right now,
We gon' hit you up with the joints like blast nasty, fight foul styles, taking you to the bank. My goons pack shake, let that click in the 600 biz tank. MCs get got, come in the tangle for wild angles, get mangled. Buck 50, give us bullies, till your moms won't know you. Take 2D stitches to slow you. It's the rest of there, me and my crew. It won't be beautiful, all that shit you talk is new to who? Words hit you like a semi-mac, any act unaccordingly. Give me that. So caught tight in his house, confiscated in doubt. Me and my killers still here, and your ass is out. We about the cuts, and bet you get touched and such. Blood rush, raise it up.
official ass coming through better. Everybody from the streets better. And if you hold it heat better. You better. Official ass coming through better. All the willies at the bar better. If you bouncing in your car better. You better.
Sticky fingers, madman, tear down stages. Ain't nobody dead or alive could get with me. I'm outrageous. Throw my clip in the gat and I'm sick of the yapping. I'm ready to bust a cap and it can happen. Y'all niggas will get shot. Fuck the rap. You get your ass kicked, set you up and get you blasted. Closed casket. I'm the bald-headed bastard. Black dust gave me black lungs. I pack guns. I'm used to action like dodging bullets over crack funds. Reaction. Plays the Mac 10 Shogun. I can spot the shiesty villains cause it take one to know one. Remove my mask and reveal myself. Heal myself. If I was you, I'd kill myself. So play dead. I stay red. Spray lead. I'm way fed and ain't leaving without they head. Sun holers. They about to get roughed up. What? When you see me, all you hear is buck, 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 buck.
Official ass coming through better. All my shorties in the spot better. If you don't wanna get shot better. You better. Official ass coming through better. When you see the cops coming better. East Coast, West Coast better. You better. What? We do it with the tune go. Come on. Raise it up. We do it with the tune go. Come on. Raise it up. Raise it up. Raise it up. Raise it up.
Word up, son. Word.
Yeah, to all the killers and the $100 billers. For real, niggas who ain't got no feelings.
Just watch my back. I got your front.
Check it out now. I got you stuck off the realness. We be the infamous, you heard of us. Official Queensbridge murderers. The mob comes equipped for warfare. Beware of my crime family who got enough shots to share for all those who wanna profile and pose. Rock you in your face, stab your brain with your nose bone. You all alone in these streets, cousin. Every man for theyself in his land, we be gunning. And keep them shook crews running like they supposed to. They come around, but they never come close to. I can see it inside your face, you're in the wrong place. Cowards like you just get their whole body laced up with bullet holes and such. Speak the wrong words, man, and you will get touched. You could put your whole army against my team, and I guarantee you it'll be your very last time breathing. Your simple words just don't move me. You're minor, we major. You're all up in the game and don't deserve to be a player. Don't make me have to call your name out. Your crew is featherweight. My gunshots will make you levitate. I'm only 19, but my mind is older. When the things get for real, my warm heart turns cold. Another nigga deceased, another story gets told. It ain't nothing really. And yo, done sparked the Philly, so I could get my mind off these yellowback niggas. While they still alive, I don't know, go figure. Meanwhile, back in Queens, the realness and foundation. If I die, I couldn't choose a better location. When the slugs penetrate, you feel a burning sensation, getting closer to God in a tight situation now. Take these words home and think it through, or the next rhyme I write might be about you. Son, they shook, cause ain't no such things as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look, they shook, cause ain't no such things as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look. Living the life that is diamonds and guns. There's numerous ways you can choose to earn funds. Some get shot, locked down, and turn nuns. Cowardly hearts and straight up shook ones, shook ones. He ain't a crook, son. He just a shook one.
For every rhyme I write, it's 25 to life. There was so much to gas you trust, safeguard in my life. Ain't no time for hesitation, that only leads to incarceration. You don't know me, there's no relation. Queensbridge, and you don't play. I don't got time for your petty thinking, mind, son, I'm bigger than those. Claiming that you pack heat, but you're scared to hold. And once the smoke clears, you be left with one and you don't. 13 years in the projects, my mentality is what, kid? You talk a good one, but you don't want it. Sometimes I wonder, do I deserve to live? Or am I gonna burn to hell for all the things I did? No time to dwell on that, cause my brain reacts. Front if you want, kid, lay on your back. I don't fake jazz, kid, you know I bring it to your life. Stay in a child's place, kid, you out of line. Criminal minds thirsty for recognition. I'm sipping, E&J got my mind flipping. I'm bucking, digging my ways out of hope for hustling. Get that loot, kid, you know my function. Cause long as I'm alive, I'ma live illegal. And once I get on them, I put on all my peoples. React quick, spit lyrics like Max, I hit your domo. When I roll up the beat, go sleep because I'm free.
Son, they shook, cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look, they shook, cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look, they shook, cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look, they shook, cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Living the life that is diamonds and guns. There's numerous ways you can choose to earn funds. Some get shot, locked down, and turn nuns. Cowardly hearts and straight up shook ones, shook ones. He ain't a crook, son. He's just a shook one.
To all the villains and the $100 billings. Real brothers who ain't got no feelings. The whole bridge. Boys get the money for the first shot. Keeping it real, you know. Boys get the money. It ain't that shit. So good, you know what I'm saying?
Wanna know, but check the flow, my little chickadee. I'm coming with the books, a kid that looks like it's a winner. You better get your plate because I'm serving raps for dinner. See, I'm freaking from the silver, plus I'm quick to do your posse. I'm swooping on the loop just like when they got real comfy. So now I gotta hit them hard and Bogart like Humphrey, you hypocrite. I'm ripping it because I'm flyer. You're phony, full of baloney, like Oscar Mayer. See how you attack? Cracker rappers just for practice. I bust my tactics. I'm sharper than a
Yeah, set it off. Set it off. Yo, it's the books in reverse. The next kid up, sending a big up to my borough. I'm thorough. Running in the ghetto from a teeny bop. Taking lessons, sweating niggas on graffiti. Rocking out the slang, bring a danger. Interpretations. My nerves as they can see, I'm sick of niggas perpetrating. But can't see this. I'm screaming all day records like Beavis or Butthead. I buzz head like Amy. Fisher, it's a pisser, hit you like an accident. And if I'm in your town, you might beat me at the Radisson. Or splattering, battering, crews for lip chattering. It ain't nothing new, that's how we do. My crew is back again. Back in the spec house jack. Back in the spec house jack. Back in the spec house jack. Just when you thought it was safe. Back in the spec house jack. And yo, I still wanna back.
Now here I go again to take the flow again. Try not to bite. I fake a nigga with my left and then I with my right. I'm out of sight. Look how I do it. You blew it if you dissed her. Nigga on the microphone cause I can bone your sister. Word is born, I'm on some new do like this. Grab the piece of steel and shoot the gift like Chris. Pringle bust my jingle down and make it shiver. Give a nigga what he needs so we can bleed when I deliver. A microphone check, what the heck? I threw that in because I used to catch rap with it. That's the jam I hop to spit it. For Christ's sakes, I'm in to hit the brakes and you skid it. You it, Messiah bit it, but I can keep that. Cause now I'm on some other type of flow and best believe that.
And all that, small cat, my format, deranged. Honey, I'm back to run things, cause some things has never changed, punk. So if you're drunk, I freak the funk until you're sober. But still be getting chills when niggas play the bridges over. Kicking the flame, yo, it's the man, TikTok, I jam like Gridlock. My style is independent, sending rappers to the pit stop. Good Lord of mercy, hit reverse if you missed it. And bust my gift of speech, cause like a priest, baby, I'm twisted. Kid, I swing a stone, bust the light, bone crusher Smith. Bust up your lips, then puff up a slip. So yo, who be that? That wanna do me back just to get booby shot jack. Cause my crew be strapped fat like that. Back in the spec house jack. Word up. That's how we do, that's how we do. Yeah, word up. Back in the spec house jack. Head smart in the house, boy. Back in the spec house jack. Bringing the rest of that shit, watch the flavor. Word up, take that.
Mission Nash takeover.
Yo, official ass coming through better. All my hoods on the block better. All my people's locked up better. You better.
Yo, lyrical assault. Mike's outlined the chalk. Gun talk, homicide New York. Caught a raw deal. Horror Amityville. Heavy still. Breathe in your man to get killed. Put a knife to the love of your life. Put a slug in your wife. Blood in your ice. Mud on my knife. Cash ice. Drug price. Chain snatch. Cocaine crack. Cut with Ajax. With the gap. Blow your brain back. Switch your lanes and drop best. Blow the top and jet. Cock and wet. You rock to death. Drive-by. Stain the eyes. Painted black lines. All the way live. Guns in the sky. Move you die. Survive. Niggas leave you left for dead. One in your head. Running for bag. Drugs under your bed. Crime kills. Blast farm skills like 9 mils. A nigga dead. Cause y'all kill.
Official ass coming through better. Where my real thugs at, you better. All my villains with the jacks better. You better. Official ass coming through better. If you don't wanna get wet, better. If you from the projects, better. You better. Right now,
We gon' hit you up with the joint select. Blast nasty, fight foul styles, taking you to the bank. My rules pack shake, let that click. And the 600 biz tank. MCs get got, coming in angle from wild angles, get mangled. Buck 50 give us bullies, till your moms won't know you. Take 2 D stitches to slow you.
Official ass coming through better. All the willies at the bar better. If you bouncing in your car better. Better. You better.
Sticky fingers, madman, tear down stages. Ain't nobody dead or alive could get with me. I'm outrageous. Throw my clip in the gat and I'm sick of this yapping. I'm ready to bust a cap and it can happen. Y'all niggas will get shot. Fuck the rap. You get your ass kicked, set you up and get you blasted. Closed casket. I'm the bald-headed bastard. Black dust gave me black lungs and pack guns. I'm used to action like dodging bullets over crack funds. Reaction. Plays the Mac 10, Shogun. I can spot the shicey villains cause it take one to know one. Remove my mask and reveal myself. Heal myself. If I was you, I'd kill myself. So play dead, I stay red, spray lead. I'm way fed and ain't leaving without they head. Sun holers, they about to get roughed up. What? When you see me, all you hear is buck, 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 buck.
Official ass coming through better. All my shorties in the spot better. If you don't wanna get shot better. Better. You better. Official ass coming through better. When you see the cops coming better. East Coast, West Coast better. You better. You better. What?
We do it with the tunic. Rock, 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 come on. Raise it up. We do it with the tunic. Rock, 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 come on. Raise it up. Raise it up. Raise it up. Raise it up. Raise it up.
Yo, I hear the floor creaking, you know.
Let me go a little something like this. Hit it. Shiggity shines, spots, hops, I rocks. I kickity kicks the drama like a farmer picks the crops. Pops, I diggity digs more wigs than John the Baptist. They call me Mr. Rapper, so I guess I be the rappers. No practice, yo crazy. Diggity yes, knocker. Throw bolo like Han Solo, come rough like Chewbacca. So ease back, slicker get kicked in the tush. Yep, I call you snaggle if you're pussy. Gads, I rip shot until the roof fell in. And plus I piggity pop up like Doug Luke Ellen. But rarely does my crew get into beefers. I figured he fits the mold like the gold that's on my teethers. Oh Jesus, I'm the youngest, Blitzy be the eldest. I'm hipper than the hip bone, connected to your pelvis. So hickory dickory dock, diggity don't you wish?
If only it sounded like this.
Like this.
If only it sounded like this. If only it sounded like this. If only it sounded like this. If only it sounded like this.
Like this. Shibbity bop, shibbity boop. Check out the way I drops the scoop. I'm niggity knocking fronts out daily. True. I figured to fight the funk, that's why they call me crazy, crazy. I give it the guys more props than that kid named Beetle Bailey. The boogity woogity Brooklyn boy, he's cool like Weasley. Ruin. I swiggity swing more than Tarzan be doing. I heard that shit was thick, that's why I speak like I was spanned. Then I flick my bick and take a dip like Aquaman. So biggity fee fight for bump. I smell blunts. I give it they got lines like Evil Knievel got stunts, you dunce. I'm digging it down with the hit squad, aight? I figured he fly more heads than Benjamin flew kites. So I spiggity spark the slip and give me a lift so I can rock. I got more skills than John Hand got cocked. So hickory dickory dock, diggity don't you wish?
If only it sounded like this.
Like this.
If only it sounded like this.
Like this.
If only it sounded like this. If only it sounded like this. If only it sounded like this. If only it sounded like this. If only it sounded like this. If only it sounded like this.
Something like this. Something like. Something like. Something like this. And away we go. Riggedy praise the Lord our Father. I kickity caught the love boat at Puerto Vallarta. I'm finicky like the cat, but she's more funk than funkadelic. It's diggity das effects, chum, can you spell it? Yibbity yappa doozy, watch me ease on down the road, hun. So come on, baby, and do the locomotion. So now what the I give them a sugar smack, then they crack like Daffy Duck. Schmuck, I'm niggity gnarly dude. Hey, snook 'em. I biggity bangs the chumps, cause they plumps when I cook 'em. I'm quickity quick, tickety tick, tickety tic tac toe. So figgity figado, figado, figado. I'm niggity not the herb, but look at the verb, it's gonna stunt. I figgity fucked up Sanford and his fucking son. So hickory dickory dock, diggity don't you wish?
If only it sounded like this. 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 If only it sounded like this.
Yeah. We on some next shit with this. Hey yo, fuck your shoebox money. You buying whips with cryptocurrency right now. Yeah.
Tyler Durden, make them holler murder. Take them to the highest point of the earth, no need to follow further. The shit is universal, no time to do rehearsal. I never take a break, that shit is too commercial. I wasn't raised different, I was made different. Flow don't fuck around like it was raised Christian. Antisocial with these kids, we don't play with them. We just keep a small circle and we stay lifted. I need Monopoly bread. Told her if it ain't sex, then it gotta be head. I'm sure you got some candles, I prefer the sloppy instead. Do my own thing and they prefer to copy instead. The money got them in a frenzy, probably wanna envy. Glass half full, but the bottle's left empty. Baby, I'm a gentleman, but I don't do it gently. Backwoods with the Henny, back good, never trendy. That Kush got plenty, I be off of the fields. Getting tuned with the rhythm, now I'm leaving the room. Let the mood reawaken like I'm out of the tombs. Each room's keep moon, going out with a boom. For the gold, I be walking every road on the map. Get a vibe low key and the flow's relaxed. But once the smoke is in the air and we pouring the jet, we like singers, turn actors, we don't know how to act. Switch it up, let your bitch pop a bean in a hat. Got a queen hitting ass, sipping lean in the bath. Bank robbery, we going and we leave with the cash. We just getting what we need, see no reason to ask. Cause drugs unlock doors in my mind where I never go. Learning to acknowledge while accepting what I'll never know. Living in the moment while we can, cause you never know. Just take the energy you got, baby, and let it go.
I came to spit a sonnet, sonically colder than comets. Surf a rocket to the moon and can't nobody stop it. I'm hyperbolic, my words curve extra wavy. Yo, paint a map of the sky, shit you could call me Haley. Before that coke shit, just a cloud of smoke. When you realize you don't know shit, the quicker you gon' grow. Got that van, gon' blow, cold, crazy on a starry night. Hate a couple boomers on my way here and I'm feeling right. Hop up out the whip and say what us to everyone around. Let me get a show, then you already know how I get down. Overdone, say I'm overdue for all these accolades. I don't really think about it, I'm just trying to rap and pace. Stack a couple bitcoins, haul up on my Nakamoto. Chillin' with your lady friend, she rock a red on Takamono. Posted up in Acapulco, shout out to the homie Smoko. Loco at the show, hold up, posing for the family photo. Epiphanies on symphonies, epic epigrams. Man, these words last for centuries. This shit's timeless, scribe it on your tomb. Don't say the sky's the limit when there's footprints on the moon. Moon walking on the sun, sun beaming, I'm a star. Star shooting into space, spaceship it up to Mars. Yeah, I'm universal, my purpose to personal. This path and give back, that's how life's supposed to circle. Yo G, roll that purple, run that beat, back reversal. I don't need no damn rehearsal. This is internal, eternal. Life is like a flick, leaving space for the horns. That's my shit. Until we meet again, paint the world with brighter colors. Word to the pride mob, y'all my sisters and my brothers. One time for the lovers, spread that energy around and keep it all in motion, getting lost inside my sound.
Cryptocurrency.
Stack a couple bitcoins.
Money though.
Hold up on my Nakamoto.
Hit that jive jack, put it in pocket till I get back. Going downtown to see a man, and I ain't got time to shake your hand. Hit that jive jack, put it in pocket till I get back. Time and time waits for no man, and I ain't got time to shake your hand. Hit that jive jack, put it in pocket till I get back. Going downtown to see a man, and I ain't got time to shake your hand. Hit that jive jack, put it in pocket till I get back. Time and time waits for no man, and I ain't got time to shake your hand. Hit that jive jack, put it in pocket till I get back. Going downtown to see a man, and I ain't got time to shake your hand. Hit that jive jack, put it in pocket till I get back. Time and time waits for no man, and I ain't got time to shake your hand. Hit that jive jack, put it in pocket till I get back. Going downtown to see a man, and I ain't got time to shake your hand. Hit that jive jack, put it in pocket till I get back. Time and time waits for no man, and I ain't got time to shake your hand.
Back up, I fucking check up, then stack up. I'm about my money, no answers for all these questions they asking. I see these cameras, they flashing. I fucked your bitch cause I'm handsome. I check you later, I'm dashing in alligators. I prance up, I get my cash up, now running bands up, then bands up. My changes glisten on camera, I still ain't picked up the foul when I need these people to back up. Go make a nigga just act up. I cheat for cameras to gather, I kick my feet up in traffic. Yeah, give me all my space, just give me room, bitch. And if you niggas got a problem, make a move, bitch. See how they copy, make copies. These paparazzi keep watching them off the chain. I keep flossing, make people want me. They hold me, watch me keep taunting. Go walking, still take a bitch like it's nothing. I think they want me, they still ain't got me. Still plotting, please keep the leeches up off me. Please keep the trees in your pockets. Please keep your knees, know you want me, but I do me, so keep walking. Yeah. Keep going. Yeah. 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 stack up, yeah, I just rack up and rack 'em. I told my new bitch, don't act up, just keep it cool and don't act up. I'm with a new bitch, she thinks she cool shit. Man, she just lacking the answers to how to deal with the man up to get them grands up. But average, all in a different tax bracket. I need my mama so happy when she see me, she start dancing. I make it static, ecstatic to get the cash, yeah, I'm rapid. I let them have it, I'm at it, I'm like an addict for cabbage, yeah. How do I stay clean when I got pussy around me? I see you in the mirror, need to stop looking behind me. I'm faster, go faster, I pick my speed up, I gas it, the damage done so demanding. Please put this beat in the casket, please don't leave me in my absence. Please don't get greedy for ransom, please don't be needy, no asking. Please don't just see me, just grasp it. Please keep the peace in my castle, I'll leave the grove as a statue. I'm in my zone, let them have it, bitch, I'm the goat and the cancer, goddamn.
Mission Nash takeover.
Yo, official Nash coming through better. All my hoods on the block better. All my people's locked up better. You better.
Yo, lyrical assault. Mike's outlined the chalk. Gun talk, homicide New York. Caught a raw deal. Horror Amityville. Amy still. Breathe in your man to get killed. Put a knife to the love of your life. Put a slug in your wife. Blood in your ice. Mud on my knife. Cash ice. Drug price. Chain snatch. Cocaine crack. Cut with Ajax. With the gap. Blow your brain back. Switch your lanes and drop vests. Blow the top and jet. Cock and wet. You rock to death. Drive-by. Stain the eyes. Paint the black lines. All the way live. Guns to the sky. Move you die. Survive niggas. Leave you left for dead. One in your head. Running for fed. Drugs under your bed. Crime kills. Blast farm skills like 9 mils. So nigga dead. Cause y'all kill. What?
Official Nash coming through better. Where my real thugs at, you better. All my villains with the jacks better. You better. Official Nash coming through better. If you don't wanna get wet, better. If you from the projects, better. You better.
Right now, we gon' hit you up with the joints like blast nasty, fight foul styles, taking you to the bank. My goals back shake, let that click, and the 600 biz tank. MCs get got, coming to tangle for wild angles, get mangled. Buck 50 give us bullies, till your moms won't know you. Take 2D stitches to slow you. It's the rest of there, me and my crew. It won't be beautiful, all that shit you talk is new to who? Words hit you like a semi-mac, any act, unaccordingly. Give me that, so court title was house, confiscated and doused. Me and my killers still here, and your ass is out. We about the guts, and bet you get touched and such. Blood rush, raise it up.
Official Nash coming through better. Everybody from the streets better. And if you hold it heat better. You better. Official Nash coming through better. All the willies at the bar better. If you bouncing in your car better. You better. Sticky fingers, madman, tear down stages. Ain't nobody dead or alive could get with me. I'm outrageous. Throw my clip in the gat and I'm sick of the yapping. I'm ready to bust a cap and it can happen. Your niggas will get shot. Fuck the rap. You get your ass kicked, set you up and get you blasted. Closed casket. I'm the bald-headed bastard. Black dust gave me black lungs. I pack guns. I'm used to action like dodging bullets over crack funds. Reaction plays the Mac 10 Shogun. I can spot the shiesty villains cause it take one to know one. Remove my mask and reveal myself. Heal myself. If I was you, I'd kill myself. So play dead. I stay red. Spray lead. I'm way fed and ain't leaving without they head. Sun holers. They about to get roughed up. What? When you see me, all you hear is bunk, 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 bunk. Official Nash coming through better. All my shorties in the spot better. If you don't wanna get shot better. You better. Official Nash coming through better. When you see the cops coming better. East Coast, West Coast better. You better. What? We do it with the truth. Come on. Raise it up. We do it with the truth. Come on. Raise it up. Raise it up. Raise it up. Raise it up. Raise it up.
What money got to do with it? When I don't know the full definition of a rap image. I'm trapped inside the ghetto and I ain't proud to admit it. Institutional lies, I keep running back for a visit. Hold up. Get it back. I said I'm trapped inside the ghetto and I ain't proud to admit it. Institutional lies, I can still kill me a nigga, so what?
If I was the president, I think my mom would rent. Free my homies and them. Bulletproof my Chevy doors, lay in the White House and get high, Lord. Whoever thought, Master, take the chains off me.
Life to me like a box of chocolate, quid pro quo, something for something, that's the obvious. Oh shit, flow so sick, don't you swallow it. Biting my style, your salmonella poison positive. I can just alleviate the rap industry politics. Milk the game up, never lactose intolerant. The last remainder, a real shit, you know the obvious. Me, scholarship, no, streets put me through colleges. Be all you can be, true, but the problem is a dream, only a dream. If work, don't follow it. Remind me of the homies that used to know me, now follow this. I tell you my hypothesis, I'm probably just way too loyal. K-Dizzle would do it for you. My niggas think I'm a god. Truthfully, all of them spoil. Usually you're never charged, but something came over you once I took you to them fucking BET Awards. You looking at artists like they're harvests. So many rollies around you and you want all of them. Somebody told me you thinking about snatching jewelry. I should've listened what my grandmama said to me.
Shit don't change until you get up and wash your ass, nigga. Shit don't change until you get up and wash your ass. Boy, shit don't change till you get up and wash your ass, nigga. Oh, now, slow down.
Once upon a time in the city so divine called Westside Compton, there stood a little nigga, he was 5 foot something. God bless the kid, took his homies to the show and this is what they said.
Fuck am I supposed to do when I'm looking at walking licks? The constant big money talk about the mention in foreign whips. The private jets and passport, presidential glass for gold bottles, gold models, giving up the ass for Instagram flick, sucking dick. Fuck is this? One more sucker waving with a flashy wrist. My defense mechanism tell me to get him quickly because he got it. It's a recession, then why the fuck he ain't king of diamonds? No more living, boy, meet my 4-4. When I see him with the bird diem on the floor. Now Kendrick know they your co-workers, but this gon' take a lot for this pistol go cold turkey. Now I can watch his watch on the TV and be okay, but see I'm on the clock once that watch landing in LA. Remember still from the rich and giving it back to the poor. Well, that's me at these awards.
I guess my grandmama was warning the boy. She said,
shit don't change until you get up and wash your ass, nigga. Shit don't change until you get up and wash your ass. Boy, shit don't change till you get up and wash your ass, nigga. Oh, now, slow down.
Once upon a time in the city so divine called Westside Compton, there stood a little nigga, he was 5 foot something. Dazed and confused, talented but still under the neighborhood rules. You could take your boy out the hood, but you can't take the hood off the homie. Took his show money, stashed it in the mosey wosey. Hollywood's nervous, fuck you, good night, thank you much for your service.
I got a bone to pick. I don't want you monkey mouth motherfucker sitting in my throne again. I'm mad, but I ain't stressing. True friends, one question. Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King Kunta, everybody wanna cut the legs off him. Kunta, black man taking no losses. Oh yeah. Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King Kunta, everybody wanna cut the legs off him. When you got the yams. What's the yams? The yam is the power that be. You can smell it when I'm walking down the street. Oh yes we can, oh yes we can. I can dig rapping, start sharing bars like you got the bottom bunk in a two-man sale. Something's in the water. Something's in the water. And if I got a brown nose for some gold, then I'd rather be a bum than a motherfucking bum. Oh yeah. Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King Coulter, everybody wanna cut the legs off. King Coulter, black man taking no losses. Oh yeah. Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King Coulter, everybody wanna cut the legs off. When you got the yams. The yam brought it out of Richard Pryor. Manipulated Bill Clinton with desires. 24/7, 365 days times 2. I was contemplating getting off stage just to go back to the hood, see my enemy and say, oh yeah. Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King Coulter, everybody wanna cut the legs off. King Coulter, black man taking no losses. Oh yeah. Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King Coulter, everybody wanna cut the legs off.
Goat mouth mammy fucker.
I was gonna kill a couple rappers, but they did it to themselves. Everybody's suicidal, they didn't even need my help. This shit is elementary, I'd probably go to jail if I shoot at your identity and bounce to the left. Stuck a flag in my city, everybody screaming Compton. I should probably run from mayor when I'm done, to be honest. And I put that on my mama and my baby boo too. 20 million walking out the court, better whoa whoa. Oh yeah, fuck the judge, I made it past 25, and there I was, a little nappy-headed nigga with the world behind him. Life ain't shit but a fat vagina, screaming, Annie, are you okay? Annie, are you okay? Limo tinted with the gold plate, straight from the bottom, Mr. Belly of the beast. From a peasant to a prince to a motherfucking king. Oh yeah? Bitch, where you and I was.
By the time you hear the next pop, the funk shall be within you.
Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King Coulter, everybody wanna cut the legs off. King Coulter, black man taking no losses. Oh yeah? Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King Coulter, everybody wanna cut the legs off. I remember you was conflicted, misusing your influence.
Every nigga is a star. 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 Who will remind that you and I and every nigga is a star.
Hit me! When the four corners of this cocoon collide, you'll slip through the cracks, hoping that you'll survive. Gather your wit, take a deep look inside. Are you really who they idolize? To pimp a butterfly.
At first I did love you, but I just wanna fuck. Late nights thinking of you, until I got my nut. Toss and turn, lesson learned. You was my first girlfriend. Bridges burned all across the board. Destroyed. But what for?
When I get signed, homie, I'm acting fool. Hit the dance floor.
flow, strobe lights in the room. Snatch a little secretary bitch for the homies. Blue-eyed devil with a fat ass monkey. I'ma buy a brand new Cuddy on Vows. Truck the hood up 2 times, deuce flow. Platinum on everything, platinum on wedding ring. Married to the game and a bad bitch shows. When I get signed on me, I'ma buy a strap. Straight from the CIA, set it on my lap. Take a few M16s to the hood. Pass them all out on the block, what's good? I'ma put the cop to swap me by the White House. Republican run up, get signed out. Hit the press with a Cuban link on my neck. Uneducated, but I got $1 million check like that.
We should never cave, we should never cave. Niggas, money go back home, money go back home. We should never cave, we should never cave. Niggas, money go back home, money go back home. Everybody get high. At first I did love you, but I just wanna fuck. Girlfriend, bridges burn all across the board. He's strong, but what for?
Yo, what's up? It's Trey. Remember the first time you came out to the house? You said you wanted a spot like mine. But remember, anybody can get it. The hard part is keeping it, motherfucker.
What you want? You a house, you a car, 40 acres and a mule, a piano, a guitar, anything. Say my name is Uncle Sam on your dog. Motherfucker, you can live at the mall. I know you're kind, that's why I'm kind. Don't have receipts, oh, man, that's fine. Pay me later, wear those gaiters. Cliche and say fuck your haters. I can see the bottle in you, I can see the dollar in you. Little white lines, but there's no white collar in you. But it's whatever though, because I'm still following you. Because you make me live forever, baby. Count it all together, baby. They hit the register and make me feel better, baby. Your horoscope is a Gemini, 2 sides. So you better cop everything 2 times. 2 coops, 2 chains, 2 C-notes. Too much and enough, both we know. Christmas, tell them what's on your wish list. Get it all, you deserve it, Kendrick. And when you hit the White House, do you. But remember you ain't passed economics in school. And you ain't doing 5 Texas with the 9 out west. You snipe your ass before 35.
Is detrimental, paralyzed on my thoughts. Parasites on my stomach, keep me with a gut feeling, y'all. Gotta see how I'm chillin' once I park this luxury car. Hopping out feeling big as Mutombo. 20 on pump 6, 30 Marcellus called me Dumbo. 20 years ago, can't forget. Now I can lend my ear to. How to stack these residuals tenfold. The liberal concept that men do. 2006, I didn't hear me. Indigenous African, only spoke Zulu. My American tongue was lyric. Walked out the gas station, a homeless man with a 7-10 complexion. Asked me for 10 grand, stressing about John Deep water, powder, Wisconsin. Crack open a piece of crack that he wanted. I knew he was smoking, he begged and pleaded. Asked me to feed him twice, I didn't believe it, told him beat it. Contributed money just for his pipe, I couldn't see it. He said, my son, temptation is one thing that I've defeated. Listen to me, I want a single bill from you. Nothing less, nothing more. I told him I ain't have it, then closed my door. Tell me how much a diamond cost. Tried to leave, but something told me to keep it in I'm the reason he homeless and asking me for a favor. He's staring at me, his eyes follow me with no laser. He's staring at me, I notice that his stare is contagious. Cause now I'm staring back at him, feeling some type of disrespect. If I could throw a bat at him, he'll be aiming at his neck. I never understood someone begging for goods, asking for handouts, taking it if they could. And this particular person just had it down pat, staring at me for the longest until he finally asked, have you ever opened up Exodus 14? A humble man is all that he ever needed. Tell me how much a dollar cost. Tripping and feeling resentment. I never met a transient that demanded attention. They got me frustrated, indecisive, and power tripping. Sour emotions got me looking at the universe different. I should distance myself, I should keep it relentless. My selfishness is what got me here, who the fuck I'm kidding? So I'ma tell you like I told the last bum, crumbs and pennies, I need all the mines. And I recognize this type of panhandling all the time. I got better judgment, I know when niggas hustling. Keep in mind, when I was struggling, I did compromise. Now I comprehend, I smell grandpa's soul medicine leaking from your skin, moonshine and gin. Nigga, you're babbling, the words ain't flattering. I'm imagining Denzel, you're looking at old Neil. Cause I'm in sad thrills, your gimmick is mediocre. The jig is up, I see you from a mile away, losing focus. And I'm insensitive, and I lack empathy. You looked at me and said, your potential is bittersweet. I looked at him and said, heavy nickel is mine to keep. He looked at me and said, know the truth, it'll set you free. You're looking at the Messiah, the Son of Jehovah, the higher power, the choir that spoke the word, the Holy Spirit, the nerve of Nazareth. And I tell you just how much a dollar cost. The price of having a spot in heaven, and but she lost, I am God.
Wash my hands, I said my grace. What more do you want? Tears of a cloud. Guess I'm not what it's meant to be. Shades of gray never change if I can go. Turn this page, help me change to right my wrong.
Rolling. We rolling. Yeah. Ride with the stick, puffing on the bird. Overtime on you niggas. Going to work. I'm going to work. I'm going to work. Overtime on you niggas, cause I'm going to work. I'm going to get it in the means necessary. Cause you know I'm by my paper like a secretary. I'm going to work. I'm going to work. I'm going to work. I'm going to work. Gotta go to court tomorrow. DA on my dick, so I'ma wear my Audemars. Just to make her sick, I might go yellow Prezi on her. Just to make her piss. Then go home and break a brick and break it down and bacon bits. I'm going to work. I'm going to work. The phone's popping like we on the first. We up in Nemus. We going berserk.